flavor extracts. This is not something a lot of people think about. Most have a high percentage of alcohol in them. Are they okay to use?
So that's exactly it. Flavor extracts do have alcohol in them, but you're generally using maybe a teaspoon in an entire recipe.
Right.
So the amount of alcohol that you're getting is so minuscule, I wouldn't anticipate that's going to have any effect on your metabolism.
And I would imagine, since a lot of it is, most of the time you're going to be baking with an extract, that you're going to cook off a lot of that alcohol and just leaving the flavoring behind.
So if you're making something like a homemade coffee creamer and there's a flavoring extract in there and you don't want the alcohol in it, you could actually cook down the coffee creamer a little bit. Yeah. Just bring it to a light simmer and simmer it for a few minutes to let that alcohol evaporate right out of the recipe.
Yeah.
So there's a tip for avoiding that alcohol to even being in a recipe.
But I still don't think it's, even if you just left it, I don't think it's enough to have a huge impact. I mean, you're
not taking a shot of flavoring extract.
Right. You're not talking like a standard pour of bourbon or something that's going to be 40% alcohol, right? Like, that's a high amount.
And your flavoring extract may be 80 or 90% alcohol. But again, you're using such a small amount, it would have a negligible impact.
Right.